Well guys, it's time almost. Time to fix the problem. Now, what was the problem? I can tell you what the problem was. It was the connector. You can see on the right hand side there how burnt that one is compared to the other one. That connector overheated, one of these two have overheated and caused me a small fire in the shed, which shouldn't have happened. Now, the way to fix this, we haven't fixed it yet, but we will be fixing it, is to run all your cables across the roof and to put a extra switch in. I actually have a fair few switches and a fair few safety on mine, but I missed that. Now, you could also use a new product that's on the market where you can use these with a fuse in them. So a fuse would be awesome. So if they get over a certain rating, they cut out. Then you've got to go looking and work out what the hell's going on, but at least you're not starting a fire. I'll try and list them underneath. Okay, it's just after Christmas and I've decided to turn my Ender 3 on. Now, to keep my Ender 3 stuff, dry, I put a lot of these little bags of desiccant in there. So it is making a part for my wife that she bought from Kmart that didn't really fit, and I'm hoping this will fit. I'm not 100% sure it will, but hopefully. Anyway, that's a separate idea, and it still runs my system, although I've got a couple of lights there that are playing funny buggers. Looks like they're going red and the rest of them going blue. Not sure why that's happening. Anyone know? Leave a comment.